Want to know how to make delicious meals without breaking the bank? Today, we're exploring the art of crafting budget-friendly meals that don't compromise on taste. Cooking at home doesn't just save you money, it also allows you to control what goes into your food. From seasonal ingredients to pantry staples, we'll show you how to make the most of what you have and create culinary masterpieces on a shoestring budget. Join us as we share 10 affordable, yet mouth-watering recipes that you can easily whip up at home. The magic starts right in the grocery store. It's not just about what's in your cart, but how it got there. Savvy shoppers know that finding deals takes a bit of detective work. Look for sales, but be cautious. Sometimes buy one, get one free isn't the bargain it appears to be. Coupons can be your best friend if used wisely. Always check if the discounted items are something you'll actually use. Don't let a good deal trick you into buying what you don't need. And impulse purchases? They're the silent budget killer. To avoid them, make a shopping list and stick to it. But remember, a list is not a straitjacket. If there's a sale on an item you frequently use, stock up. Meal planning is another vital strategy. When you plan your meals, you shop with purpose and waste less. With these shopping tips, you're already halfway to saving money on your meals. Now let's dive into our first two recipes, a hearty lentil soup and a refreshing Greek salad. Our first dish is a warming lentil soup. Start by sautéing onions, garlic, and carrots in a splash of oil. Add a cup of lentils and 5 cups of vegetable broth, then let it simmer until the lentils are tender. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and a handful of fresh herbs. This meal rings up at less than $3 per serving, and it's a great source of fiber and protein. Next up is a classic Greek salad. Toss together cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, olives, and feta cheese. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, then season with salt and pepper. This salad is a perfect light lunch or dinner side, and it costs just $2 per serving. If you're looking to save even more, skip the olives and opt for a less expensive cheese. These meals are not only budget-friendly, but also nutrition-packed. Next on the menu, we have a classic spaghetti aglio e olio and a delicious chickpea curry. Let's get started with the spaghetti aglio e olio, a simple yet flavorful dish. Cook your pasta until al dente, then sauté generous amounts of garlic and olive oil until golden. Add red pepper flakes for a kick, then toss in the cooked pasta and a sprinkle of parsley. A squeeze of lemon juice will also elevate the taste. This meal costs less than $5, and you can substitute the pasta with zoodles for a low-carb option. Now, onto the chickpea curry. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger. Then add spices like turmeric, coriander, and garam masala. Stir in canned chickpeas and diced tomatoes, and let it simmer until the flavors meld together. Serve with rice or naan bread. This hearty dish costs around $6, and you can opt for lentils instead of chickpeas for variety. Savor these meals that are light on the wallet, but heavy on flavor. Moving on, we'll be making a versatile stir-fry and a comforting bowl of chili. Let's start with our stir-fry. This dish is a great way to use up any veggies you have lying around. Start with a base of rice or noodles, then add your choice of protein. The secret is in the sauce, a simple mix of soy, garlic, and a touch of honey. Now, onto our chili. This hearty dish is perfect for those colder nights. Begin with a base of ground meat or beans for our vegetarian friends. Add in canned tomatoes and let the magic happen. Don't forget those warming spices like cumin and paprika. And the best part? It's even better the next day. What's the cost? Both meals come in under $10 and serve 4 people. That's only $2.50 per serving. It doesn't get much better than that. These dishes prove that budget meals can be diverse and exciting. Next, we're going to prepare a savory frittata and a creamy mushroom risotto. Starting with the frittata, it's as simple as whisking together a few eggs, adding some chopped veggies, whatever you have on hand really, and popping it into the oven. The beauty of a frittata is its versatility, enabling you to make the most of budget-friendly, seasonal ingredients. Now let's talk risotto. This creamy, comforting dish is a restaurant favorite that you can easily recreate at home. Begin by sautéing your mushrooms until golden, then slowly add your rice and broth, stirring often. With a little patience, you'll have a mouth-watering dish that's budget-friendly too. You see, both these meals prove that affordable food doesn't mean compromising on taste or quality. And remember, there's always room for creativity. Use what's in your pantry, experiment with different flavors, and most importantly, have fun with it. Who knew saving money could taste this good? Last but not least, we'll be making a flavorful chicken stir-fry and a sweet banana bread for dessert. Let's dive right in. For the chicken stir-fry, you'll need chicken breast, bell peppers, onions, garlic, and soy sauce. Start by sautéing the onions and garlic until they're golden brown. Then toss in the diced chicken breast. Once it's cooked, add the bell peppers and the soy sauce. Stir everything well and let it simmer. Voila! A tasty chicken stir-fry that's not only easy on your wallet but also bursting with flavor. Next, let's tackle the sweet banana bread. You'll need ripe bananas, flour, sugar, eggs, and baking soda. Start by mashing the bananas. Then, mix in eggs and sugar. Add flour and baking soda and stir until the mixture is smooth. Pour the batter into a loaf pan and bake. There you have it, a sweet treat that makes use of those overripe bananas. The cost for each meal? Less than $10. And if you want to cut costs further, you can substitute soy sauce with teriyaki sauce for the stir-fry, or use whole wheat flour for the banana bread. With these 10 recipes, you have a variety of budget-friendly meals at your fingertips. Remember, cooking at home is not only cost-effective but also a fun and rewarding experience. Stay tuned to Finance with Ishani for more budgeting tips and tricks.